But first of all, we are going to be taking a look at Hawaii School for Girls at La Pietra. They have their Tech Fair and Family Fun Fair that's coming up on March 7th. So joining us now, we have Elle, we've got Ava, and of course, we've got Rachel Wagaman, Director of Communications and Marketing over there. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us. We're looking forward to the fair. It's going to be so much fun. It's our 3rd annual, so we're getting into the groove, inviting people to come down and meet us at campus and kind of see what we're all about. So, I mean, we've got something for everyone, something for someone in the whole family. We have games on the Great Lawn. We have petting zoo, pony rides, a bounce house. I know.
He heard pony rides and he was like, what? Sign me up. Pony rides, kind of.
What the tech?
Okay, speaking of tech, there's something going on over here. I know that you both played an important role in putting this little robot together.
Yeah.
Talk to me about Tech Zone and being a part of all the fun things that La Pietra has.
Yeah, so originally I attended a summer program, I think 2 years ago, and that's what sparked my interest for robotics. It was a robotics program. And so with that, I kind of created my IP project around that. And that's also what sparked our idea for our Robo-Whirl, which is a activity we will have at the Tech and Family Fun Fair.
Nice. Now, how does this work? I see it's very colorful. There's a flat board, but there's a bunch of little things on here that looks like that's how you win some prizes.
Yeah, so if we just click, it's programmed, so if you just click this first button, the robot will spin.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that's super cool. So then you click that, it goes around. Microphone.
Yeah. Oh.
I already got my microphone. Does that mean I have to sing something? Is that what,
Yeah.
what do you think?
It was like an omen. I was having microphone issues, I think, when we first started, so that worked out really nice.
So, okay, so when that happens, what's the prize there?
Well, you'll get the microphone prize. This is our board that we created for last year's Tech and Family Fun Fair. So this year, we're gonna work on creating a new board with a whole bunch of new prizes for this year's.
Ooh, okay. Now, Elle, talk to me about Tech Zone. I've been over to Hawaii School for Girls at La Pietra many, many times, and this spot is really cool for the girls to get in there, robotics, but also there's a flight simulator, all kinds of different things. How do you use Tech Zone?
Personally, I use Tech Zone after school, and I use it if I kind of want to try something I've never tried before. They have a bunch of technology opportunities. You can participate in esports, like the Flight Simulator 2. They have VR, and they also have 3D printers you can use for like projects. So it's really fun to just go and like be creative.
Yeah, that is so cool. We're actually looking at some video that's up on the screen right now. Talk about, I mean, what an opportunity, too, for you students to have, like, access to something like that.
Yeah, I thought it was really cool. When I got to check it out, there was a flight simulator. A lot of people don't get their hours until way later. Exactly.
I know. We had a student who was, for her junior year, she wanted to get her private pilot's license, and so she hopped on the simulator, and because we have a pilot on campus as well, he was able to help her learn how to do things in the simulator and get some hours that way. So, I mean, that's such a great way to be able to get some hands-on experience and try things that you wouldn't want to try in a real plane in the sky.
Yeah, and talk about getting a head start on your career as just, you know, a high schooler.
Exactly.
That's very, very cool. Now, going back to the tech fair that you folks are having, it is really all about bringing the family together over there at your campus. But you mentioned that there's going to be games, there's going to be pony rides, but you have to register, right? It's a free event, but tell everybody you're going to be there, right?
You definitely don't have to register, but it's just nice to let us know that you're coming. So, yeah. We have a registration page at lapietra.edu/techfair, and so that's where you can sign yourself up. You can also get pre-purchase a parking pass if you're really into that. No hassle that day. But we're also offering free parking at Jefferson Elementary. So you can park there for free and then take the shuttle over to campus. Also a really easy option to come see us. And the event is from 11 to 5. So yeah, anytime in there.
Yeah, and what's really great as we look at some photos as well is that maybe you don't even necessarily have to really be into tech to enjoy an opportunity and a fair like this.
No, definitely. Yeah, like I was saying, there's something for everybody out on the Great Lawn. You can be outside. In the gym is actually where we'll have all of the tech experiences.
Yeah.
So that's where you can try out the robotics arena. You can kind of just dip your toe into anything that looks interesting. I mean, the gym is so, it's very moody in there. We got some lights going. It feels really immersive, so I mean, you can kind of just play some esports. We have a huge screen. I don't know if that was shown, but just playing their esports on a huge screen. Who doesn't love that?
Right.
Oh, tech, yeah.
Oh, tech, yeah. I like what you did there, Kaino. And get this, there's going to be food. So like some food trucks. Everybody's going to be able to go over there, hang out. It's like a big party over there at Hawaii School for Girls at La Pietra. Go ahead and check out their website for all the details, lapietra.edu. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us. And we hope that everybody joins them on March 7th. And we're talking